Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankh from the Vegan Jamaican Restaurant today, families. I don't know, guys, it's Caribbean brunch morning, and the Vegan Jamaican will be vendoring, will be showcasing the Vegan Jamaican, I don't know what to say, family, but this video is just actually, when you have something in your mind and you have an idea, no matter what nobody said to your family, just go on and do your thing, family. Because Jam Tour is there. And a lot of people might say, oh, this vegan Jamaican thing won't work because now you're mixing up, meat with veganism and all kind of madness, family. So Jam Tours, I'm just always trying to carve out my own lane and my own space. So coming back to Africa teach me so much. When I was in the West, I used to despise food, food from the West. I despise food from the West. But when I come to Africa and I realize how fresh and real food is, I start to understand that, hey, it doesn't matter. All you got not to do is just mixing up all these preservative and make a MSG by your food. You still can eat what you want to eat. So Jam Tours, we're there and we are eat. If you want vegan food, you get vegan. If you want Jamaican food that blend up and mix up in a vegan style, yes, we got that too, family. So we're just letting you know that, hey, we're changing the game and we're carving out our own lane and space. So just to when you have an idea, family, you just go ahead and you just do what you need to do, family. Follow the business when nobody want to tell you, say, if it's your idea, only you know you. That's what I'm saying. So, just get up and do what you know, what you think are going to work for you, and just do it, family. So that's what Jam Tours I do right now. And if it work, I just, if it work, I have to just applaud myself. If it don't work, I try something else. That's how life is, family. Life is all about making mistake and making, if I never make all of these mistakes, I wouldn't be here today, family. If I never get married to a Trinidadian and have to divorce and find a way to run away and separate, I wouldn't be here today, family. So life is made up of problems and challenges, and you have to just know to resolve them, to find happiness. And that's what I'm just been doing, family. So let's go. Yeah, family, so as you guys know that we use a charcoal to grill the chicken and stuff. So I'm actually stopped to get a bag of charcoal on the corner right here in the Rocker, family. As you can see, guys, people out and about on the streets and stuff. So we stopped to get a bag of charcoal. It's the Caribbean brunch, and Jam Tours is showing you step-by-step guide on how we do the thing, family. You know the thing go already. Business up, entrepreneurship up, self-sufficient up. We now work with Babylon system. We have our own system. So let's go. Caribbean brunch we're going today. Yeah, family, so we're at the restaurant and we start the baller rolling. Coconut. A bus up. Where you say drink the water, Newton? That's the best water. Best water is coconut water. You see, we flavor turn up. Yeah, family, so while I'm there, I brought the coconut nice up for the rice and peas, family. I was just thinking about something after that. I never want Jamaicans in Kenya tell Jam Tours congratulations yet. I am kind of surprised. But for most people, these things is like far-fetched. They think that it's hard to start a business, it's not easy, So we still wait for the congratulations from all the Jamaicans living in Kenya. Not one. I'm post, I know them see, and nobody said to tell Jam Tours congratulations. So you think, guys, you have to just follow your dreams and do what you know it's right. Do what you want to do. Nobody know you but you. So anything you believe in, just go do it. The business don't care what nobody say. So we are do it and we are do it. Alright, so check us out. We are all food apps. We will be for now. As you know, everything paperwork and all kind of stuff. So if you want, yeah, family. So we have the coconut, rich coconut milk in your rice and peas. Rich coconut milk in your rice and peas, family. As you can see, on the chef coat, we flavor turn up. We flavor turn up the Jamaican food. So we have some coconut. family, so I'm here waiting on the guy that's gonna take me to Nairobi. This is a guy here, his name is Dennis. He said to do delivery for the liquor store and delivery from around town. So we're gonna use him to do delivery, family. We're gonna use him to do the delivery and all of that. So, you know what I mean? Everything will come together. And let's wait for the driver. He's gonna take us down to Nairobi. Yeah, family, so that's the van. Nice van we're using to down to Nairobi. Suppose he can park here, right? Yeah. So my brother, you can park at the front there because we're coming from that side. Yes, you can just park here. Just come back out and park here. And just maybe back up here. Yeah, family, so as you can see, putting in there real coconut milk, no packed milk. It's real. Yeah, family, so we're actually packing. As you can see, it's real coconut milk. How long is it going to take now? Can we pack it and bring it and cook it there? What do you think? Okay. Whenever I put it on the jiko, you know, faster. The small stove. You know, fast up on it. You like it slow on it to cook. What about that stove? Too low? Yeah, family, so the rice inside, and we're gonna get it shelly and nice, like Shelly Belly, we dance at Jamaica. This rice is gonna be Shelly Belly. Not one Jamaican in Kenya tell Jam Tours congratulations. So it go, family, we have to just do what we have to do, and do what we believe in and what we know, because we know the thing go. So when you say the chef pan, we can put it in the van. You're not ready yet? It's not ready?
No, it is.
It is? Alright. Alright, family. We are get ready. Yeah, family, so at the jerk pan this. The big bad jerk pan with some vegan Jamaican jerk chicken, family. So let's go, family. Let's go. Yeah, fam, I'm there with man, treasure man, you don't know, say, yo, black gold melanin, you know, no more war in Africa. You know what I mean? Virtuous woman, you don't know, say, timeless. Music, the music ain't ready for the world yet, but we are promoting and I push it. You don't know. So I'm there with me the first time at the restaurant. How it looks so far? How you like it?
I said chop boss.
Yeah, how you like it?
To the time. Everything when I see so far look good. So right now at the future.
Yeah.
As you know, Kenya the future, so we stand up in the future right now and talk to the item. So get with the program, because Romish, yeah, good at you to know.
Yeah,
so,
yeah. Yeah, man, as me I tell you, say, yo, nobody from Jamaica can say congratulations, Jam Tours. Because somebody hold up the culture of Jamaica is so strong and it has to keep alive with native Jamaicans. You know what I mean? Me never go US, me never go nowhere yet. From Jamaica straight to Africa.
Don't worry. me go all of them. Me go US. Me go all of them. So real talk, I hear say it there.
Yeah.
We not try to do Jamaican thing. We are the authentic Jamaican, from music, food, clothes, house, anywhere you want, we give the original thing. So big up yourself, Romish.
Yeah, man. One love, God bless, always Jamaica. The Vegan Jamaican Restaurant. Right us up. Take me a picture, right us. Yeah, family. So this is the rice. Nice up and smell nice. You can smell the coconut milk. Treasure. Do with flavor. Turn up. Alright, the Vegan Jamaican. Yeah, family. So we just pull up and I Porsche Gardens in Limuru, down in the tea farm. We're there, the Caribbean Brunch, and we here the Vegan Jamaican Restaurant is here with the Caribbean lunch. So let's go, family. It's a nice place. It's a garden. It's a lake. Trust me, family. It's gonna be a blast today. So if you missed this, sorry for you. But let's go. Caribbean Brunch. We're here with the Jamaican lunch. Yeah, family. So we just reached at the Caribbean Brunch, and we are offload. Make them know what go on and that go on. So yeah, that's how the place look. Lake and garden. You know what I mean? So let's go, family. Let's go. We're left with the big bad jerk pan. What's in this? It's chicken. Okay, yeah. Let's offload this.
No one in your blackness. Made it done, no some melody. Worth more than diamond and gold. Melanin can't be bought or sold. You heard? That's my word. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind. Preserve life like cherubim. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind. Preserve life like cherubim. I'm a real black gold, genuine soul. Walking scroll from days of old. Brave and bold, I've never told. Now in the world I lose my soul. A billion together, that's a billion blackness. A billion power show up, a billion black fist. A billion others in a billion practice. A billion families and the most I got is. Black people know we black self. Black product and we black shelf. Black medicine preserve black health. Black riches restore black wealth. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind. Preserve life like cherubim. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind. Preserve life like cherubim. All nation bow to the black king and the black queen. It's a black dream, such a before as not seen. That's why they wanna kill us with a vaccine. One thing I'm certain, in spite the earth, all the pain and all of the burden. Blacklist, no fear behind curtain. I'm a real black gold, genuine soul, walking scroll from days of old. Brave and bold, I've never told. Now in the world I lose my soul. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Don't know from long time the first of mankind. Preserve life like cherubim. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind. Preserve life like cherubim. And what's up? Put on the shotgun. My daughters and black son. Foundation of knowledge. Black Africa, Lalibela and Axel. I'm black and I'm proud to be black. Shout it out loud. You mean that in every crowd? Reveal that, believe that. Billion together, that's a billion blackness. A billion power show up, a billion black fist. A billion others in a billion practice. A billion families and the most I got this. Black people know we black self. Black product and we black shelf. Black medicine preserve black health. Black riches restore black wealth. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Don't know from long time the first of mankind. Preserve life like cherubim. Black gold, I'm genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the first of mankind. Preserve life like cherubim. woman reach the heights, my lord. But this woman, she survived them all. Virtuous woman, virtuous woman. The woman love for a prince who love her as a princess. Says she need a lion to love her as a lioness. The woman love for a prince who love her as a princess. Says she need a lion to love her as a lioness. From a royal line, woman of royalty, excelled by virtue extraordinary, conceived by love, arose in loyalty. She gave birth to reason, His majesty. Kept the ancient order, yet so moderately. Ethiopian princess, Nubian beauty. Celestial taught charismatically. Approves the relation through divinity. The woman love for a prince who love her as a princess. Says she need a lion to love her as a lioness. The woman love for a prince who love her as a princess. Says she need a lion to love her as a lioness. Hey woman, infinite creation, merges life through this primal ocean. From a divine circle stand in adoration. Through the passage of nurture, she's the moderation. Orders from the king, never decline it. Adjust for occasion to suit every climate. Tradition and culture, absolute to the finest. Her Majesty